I'm rolling and flowing, I'm coasting, I got them all trolling me right. I just keep growing and showing them, knowing I'm owning this flow, you can catch me outside. Gonna get them all with a little payback. Never gonna fall, I'ma stay on the attack.
Welcome to today's video. If you're new to the channel, my name's Max, as you probably just saw in the thing that said my name. Today I'm going to be doing a quick little mod of my 172 Clio. I'm going to show you what I've got. I bought myself a used Ktec racing induction kit. If you've seen one of my other videos, I have actually got a panel filter in it already, actually a Ktec one as well. But I fancied a bit of noise, and I've got a Ktec stealth catback to fit as well, but I'm waiting to source a decap part before I fit that, so for now, I thought I'm going to install one of this, and today you're going to be watching me do that. But yeah, hopefully it shouldn't take long. Obviously remove the airbox, I might have to pop the battery out, but it should be pretty simple. A couple of jubilees, slip a pipe on, easy. Let's get busy.
If you've never seen this before, this is my 172 cut. Pretty much standard. Got a powder coated inlet manifold upper, Ktec panel filter and some HR lowering springs, that's about it. So I'm gonna go get some tools and then we're gonna be removing this. I'm not sure what I have to do about the cold air feed. It's gonna be in the way, so I'll probably have to go. But yeah, just gotta pull this off, undo this, undo the top of the airbox, remove the bottom half of the airbox. Yeah, it should be pretty easy. All you need to take the top half of the airbox off is literally a T30 Torx bit and a 7mm socket or a flathead screwdriver, and it all comes off. This bit just pulls off there. Pretty easy. So yeah, let's get this off. And just like that, that is the top half of the airbox removed. Here's my pretty much brand new Ktec panel filter. And then now we're left with the bottom half of the airbox, which is literally, well, this is broken, so this is not attached. And if I remember rightly, I think this one is, no, this one might be, you should have to use 210mm to remove it, but mine's kind of a bit broken on that. This is not even attached, but I think this 10mm might be, and then you've just got to push the cold air feed out, which is pretty simple. Like that. It's a bit of a squeeze, but it comes out. You've got this other pipe here attached, but if you give that a pull, it literally just, the bottom bit comes with it. And that's how you end up with that. I just off camera got this out. I just sort of gently pulled up on it while sort of pushing this. It was without trying to rip it. It was quite tricky to get off, but I got it off. It's on there quite well, but yeah, that's off. Some people will probably be like, "Oh my god, now your car's got no cold air feeds," but the air filter was going to sit here. My engine's over here. You're gonna do well to get a lot amount of heat over here, you know. The exhaust manifold's at the back, so you know most of the heat's over here and generally over here. Over here's gonna be fine. There's still the outlet for the resonator box, so air will still come into this area anyway, regardless of that pipe. So I'm not sure if I maybe have to remove the battery. So I think you have to put the filter in there first, put this in, then connect it underneath it. Right, so move the negative terminal. Hopefully we've got enough room now to pop the air filter in. A bit of a squeeze. Right, let's pop this battery out real quick. Pretty easy. Just literally, there's a 13mm here, which holds the battery, the clamp to hold it down, secure it.
And 2 8mm for the terminals, that's out. Now we've got all the room. Right, now we just have to put this the right way around, which is this way. Get this in here. Wait.
Ryan, little.
Is this gonna fit? Okay, we have a bit of an issue here. This bracket coming off the ECU cover is digging into the pipe. Okay, here's the issue I'm having. When I put the pipe on, the corner of this is digging into the pipe, which I don't want because it's going to rub, it's going to split. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove this little bracket here and throw it in the bin. Change your plans? No, I'm not. I just realised it's made out of cheese, so I'm just going to bend it. There we go. And there we have it. Get my finger in there now. Right, that's on there. Easy. Slip this onto this. Bosh. Right, so all we need to do now is just pop the battery back in and put this cover back on the fuse, I say fuse box, fuse area, and there we have it, we're done. Fairly easy, simple mod to do. The only thing I'm not very happy about is it's sort of like not very secure. You can see before where this has been sort of cutting into it. So what I will do is I will be removing this and I'll be grinding that corner off so it's smooth so it doesn't do that. But apart from that, really easy to do. All you need is a basic set of tools. You don't necessarily have to do it the way I did it, but that's the way I did it. That's the easiest way I found to do it. Here we have the airbox, standard phase 2 airbox. I think it looks pretty cool in the engine bay as well. It was quite smart with just the black one single piece pipe and the filter. I know you can do cheaper, like stubby, and that's what people call it. It's a cheaper alternative, but it involves you getting 2 90s and 2 silicone couplers, and it just looks a bit untidy. Whereas this is one pipe, it looks cleaner. The engine bay looks good now. Good little mod. So now the obvious thing to do is warm the car up and go for a rip, see what it sounds like. Apologies if the sound quality is terrible and you can't hear anything, but as I said, my other GoPro has, well, suction cup's gone missing, so. Let's do a little second gear rip up here, see what it sounds like. Yeah, but that's it for this quick video. Hope you enjoyed me fitting my induction kit, and if you enjoyed this sort of video, let me know down below. I wouldn't say it was a difficult thing to do, so if you buy one, I don't see why you couldn't fit it yourself. Anyone can fit it as long as you've got a socket set. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.
I keep it going, I'm rolling and flowing, I'm coasting, I got them all trolling me right. I just keep growing and showing them, knowing I'm owning this flow, you can catch me outside. Gonna get them all with a little payback. Never gonna fall, I'ma stay on the attack. Put them up against the wall as I finish every track. Never gonna stall, no, I'm never gonna slack.